In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "To continue, enter an admin username and password" prompt in Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is that message you see when Windows asks for administrator approval, but you either don't know the admin details or the prompt appears without the usual yes button, so you can't move forward. First, let's quickly understand what this message is. It comes from something called User Account Control, or UAC. UAC is designed to protect your system by asking for admin permission when a program wants to make important changes. Normally, if you're already an administrator, you just click yes and continue. But if your account isn't an admin, or there's only a standard user set up on the computer, Windows will ask you to enter an admin username and password. If you're stuck at this screen and you don't see any field to type into, or you don't know the admin account, that usually means you're signed in with a standard user account that doesn't have permission to make system changes. In that situation, the first thing you should do is check whether there is another account on the computer that has administrator rights. If a family member, co-worker, or IT department originally set up the device, ask them to log in with the admin account. Once they're signed in, they can either perform the task for you or change your account type to administrator through the Settings app, under Accounts, and then Family and Other Users. If you do know the admin account, but the prompt still won't let you type anything, try a few basic checks. Make sure no other windows are open in front of the prompt, and use the Alt and Tab keys to cycle through open programs until the UAC window is active. Sometimes, UAC can appear in the background or on another virtual desktop. You can also press the Windows key +D to show the desktop. Then try running the program again so the prompt appears clearly. If the system belongs to a workplace or school, the administrator might have intentionally restricted admin access. In that case, your best option is to contact your IT support and explain what you're trying to do. They can decide whether to temporarily grant permission or perform the action for you. Once you have access to an admin account and the UAC prompt appears correctly, you just enter the admin username and password. When asked, click yes, and Windows will allow the change to go through. After that, the software installation or setting change should continue normally, and the error message should no longer block you.